guys. I'm at the, what is this place called again? They have really nice baskets. I'm at Jabi Market. Jabi Arts and Crafts. Let's check it. That's where we saw rope. I want to buy some of these. Going to use them to do something. But I think I want this one. Alright, thanks. I'm in Jabi Market, the Arts and Crafts Market. Looking to look for some baskets for my plants. I'm just looking around. 17. So you can make that one like 16 and a half. And so you can make that one like 13 inches or 14.
Or not this one leg.
So this one is not bad now, but they will do it with leg.
Yes.
The size is not bad. Yeah, this two will enter. No, let me give you 5,000 for the two. Hey, what's up you guys? Today is Wednesday, I believe. Hold on, let me check the dates because I actually want to start mentioning the dates in my vlogs. Oh, it's not Wednesday actually. Today's Tuesday, November 3rd. Happy new month, by the way. I hope my lips aren't dry because Harmattan is here. Anyways, happy new month you guys. Welcome to November. I hope this month is amazing for all of us. I've had a horrible past couple of days. You know what, let me put my camera down so I can just talk because my hands are going to start hurting. Okay, I think we're good here. Guys, the last couple of days have been annoying. On Saturday, the carpenter actually came and he put a really big hole in my wall, like on the tile. Let me show you quickly. That's the hole he put in my tile. He was supposed to hang up 2 floating shelves like right here for me because I just needed extra space for my plates and just a bunch of stuff because this is literally the only cupboard space or like the only cabinet space I have in my apartment. So I really wanted to have some floating shelves there. This is the only thing that they actually completed for me. I had them make this shorter, so they've actually cut a bit from here just so there'll be a bit of space after my gas cooker on the left, and then they helped me like put that board there to divide it. My plan was to get these rattan baskets. You guys saw me at the market yesterday. I'm actually going to have the baskets in there. Like I bought 2 of those baskets as well as that round one. I also want to paint this table. I want to paint the legs either white or black to match the cooker. So I actually need your help you guys. Let me know in the comments if I should paint the legs and the body of the table white or black. I'm going to be using this contact paper to cover up the top of the table so it mimics like a marble countertop. Also going to use a marble contact paper to cover all of here. I'm just really frustrated at this point. I shouted enough today because like I was really livid. Like it didn't even make any sense. I honestly don't know. I feel like I might not even make that kitchen makeover video anymore because now nothing is going to turn out how I want. So I'm just going to try and do my best. I think going forward I might just show you guys like the whole process on the vlogs. I honestly don't know yet you guys. I'm really not in a good mood, but please let me know your suggestion concerning the table. What color do you guys think I should paint it? It's not bad at all. It's actually really good. I really don't know what this is. Like I feel like I just made this recipe up like on the spot, but I just really wanted something creamy. So I added a bit of that coconut milk, and yeah, I also added some of my pasta sauce, this one that I always tell you guys about. And yeah, it tastes really good. I wish I used less spaghetti though, so it would have been more creamy, and I don't have any more coconut milk, but it tastes really good. So I'm about to go eat. Hey, what's up you guys? So today is Wednesday and I've really just been like chilling. I just put a clay mask in my hair. Harmattan is here like for real. Like the air has changed. Harmattan is one of my favorite like seasons in Nigeria actually. It just reminds me that Christmas is coming. Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. Actually, Christmas is my favorite holiday, so Like, I really just love Harmattan and the smell of the air and everything, but my hair does not like it at all. My hair has been really dry like the last couple of days. I actually pre-pooed it to wash it like maybe 3 days ago, but I've just been really lazy. I didn't wash it. Like, I just left it in twists after pre-pooing. So today I just decided to actually detox it and take care of it. So I'm doing like a bentonite clay mask. I'm filming it as well, so the video will be up on my channel, so watch out for that. I'm pretty much just taking care of myself. That's the vibe for today. Nothing major. You guys, the carpenter was supposed to come today. He told me he will come like fix up all of the stuff he destroyed today, but I haven't heard anything from him. He hasn't called me, hasn't updated me, hasn't told me anything. I really don't want to put my hopes on him. Like, I just don't know how to feel. Like, it's really becoming annoying. I'm just going to be home anyway. I'll wait and see if he calls me up later in the day and he comes here to fix the stuff. If he does, I'll pick up the vlog and show you guys. No, so I'm just going to let my hair dry a bit and then I'll go wash it off. Hey guys, what's up? Today is Thursday and I'm about to leave the house. I was actually trying to wait for this carpenter, but honestly he's just a piece of shit. I've been calling him and he's not picking up. He texted me really early this morning saying he was going to come like work on the tiles, showed me pictures of tiles that he found, like if they would match and stuff like that, but he's still not here and it's like time is going. I've been waiting for him. I want to quickly go to Eba now because I've been looking for spray paints and I haven't found anywhere. Then I remembered I bought spray paint at Eba now before and it's all the way in Lokogoma. I can't even believe I'm about to make that drive, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do. Yes. Okay, I'll not pick the ones I want. Guys, they have Bath and Body Works candles here. It's always so hard to find my favorite scent. Like, I never find it anywhere. I just find mason jars. Not clearly. It was impossible. But these are nice though. I showed it the last time, but someone still asked where I bought the Asun from. So this is the name of the place. They had Max Care in Lokogoma. It's just at this place, this plaza, Max Care. They have a bunch of little like shops selling stuff. I really wanted to go up on Sunday, so I'm trying my best to like start as early as possible. Today is Friday and I've just been chilling at home. This is all I've been doing all day. I made myself a smoothie earlier. I wanted to quickly hop on here to show you guys the stuff I got from Ebana yesterday. So quick update on my kitchen. I was actually able to order some contact paper yesterday. I have a family friend who's in the US and is going to be coming back to Abuja next week, so I'm just going to send it over to them and they'll help me bring it back. Thank Jesus. So I think I'm just going to end up covering up all of the cabinets, like all of the kitchen cabinets in contact paper. I ordered something really nice that looks like wood. Hopefully it looks nice when it gets here. I got it off of Amazon. This is all I got. I got 3 cans of black spray paint because I still want to spray the what is it called? I still want to spray the table in my kitchen. I'm not sure if I'll spray black or white yet. But I also have some jars that have like multicolored lids and I want to spray the lids black so that everything just matches. So I got a bunch of black spray paint for that. I got both white and black so I can spray like different parts of the table and see which color would look best. But I still need you guys to let me know which color do you think I should spray the table, if I should spray white or black. And I also got this gold spray paint, you guys. Fingers crossed that this looks nice, but I already know it will look nice because I saw someone else use it and it actually has a really nice reflective gold color. It's very hard to find spray paint that's like really gold. Most times they just end up looking like this dull brown color, and I don't really like that. I'm actually going to be spraying something soon. I'll probably show you guys. This one was a little more expensive. If it's going to be more like reflective and like more true to the gold color, then I really don't mind. So this one was 1,690, and then the rest were under 1,000. The black ones were 950 and the white one was 999. I also got this oven mitten. I felt like this color was really cute. It's like a mitten, and the other one that you use to hold stuff, I don't know what it's called. I really like it. This was 1,500 or 1,550 from Ebano. Okay, so the last thing I got is this notebook. Just use this as some sort of gratitude journal. I'll start writing things I'm grateful for every day, just like help myself remain in a positive mood, positive mindset. So yeah, I just got a tiny book for that. Next year I'll probably get like a big journal that I can use throughout the year. I think it was like it's right here, $6.90 for this book. I'm very hungry now, so I'm probably going to go make myself something to eat, and we'll just see how the day goes.